A ver, el jamón pues tiene sus partes, que es el carrete,
This is called a carrete,
maza,
maza, the block,
cadera,
hip, cadera,
bobilla.
and babilla is the front of the thigh.
Para que un plato esté rico debe de llevar cada zona, o sea,
So if you are doing this properly, like Jose is if you're a professional cutter in Spain, there's an education for cutting
el jamón debe
ham.
de cortarse finito.
You should cut it thin strips. Continue from where you're cutting, and the plate should have all the parts: the jarrete, babilla, maza, cadera, and babilla. So it will be a balanced taste because they taste different. Last year we had a tasting of similar to the one yesterday, with the different parts of the ham and different sherries, and it was a totally different effect. This is more salty, some is more. And then when they are cutting, you are cleaning the external layer, which is a protected layer, and the yellow fat, you're removing the yellow fat and leaving the pink one. You can see the difference in the color where he has marked the cut. This is yellow and this is pink. And it's different type of fat.
Así el ibérico puro debe de tener más grasita que un cerdo que no lo sea. El secreto de no limpiarlo entero es para que el jamón no se vacíe y siga manteniendo su aroma y su jugo.
So the secret of cutting it in this way is that the ham maintains its humidity and consistency all the way through when you're cutting. All the flavors are not disappearing.
Se saldría lo que es el aceite de la bellota, se le irían todos los...
Yes, because the polyphenols, the fats of the Iberico ham, at 16 degrees they are melting. So on the plate, when you touch it, you will see now it starts to get a very shiny layer. And if you touch it with your hands, it will melt. Because it's a type of the fat from the bellota, from the equine.
Puro ibérico.
So you use a long fillet knife, similar to what we would use for a lachs or salmon in Scandinavia. And of course, you can see that te va a venir a contramano, pero lo voy a colocar aquí para que vea el plato.
Sí.
Perdón.
No, te lo...
Yeah. You can see that it's also very important aesthetically to make a nice presentation on the dish. And you can see also that he is maintaining a very level horizontal cut right the way through. So when he arrives to the bone, he is marking the bone, but he is not making a groove or so he's starting from the jarrete and working back and taking all the different parts on the plate. So in fact, when he is laying it out on the plate like this, you will see the design, a reflection of this design also. That is an aesthetic.
El corte debe de ir siempre recto.
Yeah. ¿Qué diferencia hay entre la grasa rosada y la externa, la amarilla?
Esta.
Sí.
Bueno, pues, a ver, esta
Sí.
estaría un pelín enranciada, porque el ser de bellota, la bellota enrancia, si lo deja, da ese sabor al rancio. Hay que quitarle a lo blanquito.
Rosadito.
A lo rosado, exacto. Pero el jamón ibérico tiene que llevar un mínimo de grasa para apreciar sus sabores, un mínimo de grasa.
So the external fat, the external fat, it becomes, because it's been kept for near. Because it's been in reserve for nearly 3 or 4 years, between 3 and 4 years, it becomes rancid. So you should remove the yellow fat and until you come to the pink or white fat. And that is, and for the Iberico to have a nice flavor, you should have one finger of fat around. So it will maintain a nice flavor, because the fat, of course, has a lot of flavor. And also you have to be very careful when you are covering the Iberico for, let's say, for the day, that you do not use the yellow fat, because it will transfer the taste to the ham. So you should remove this and not use it again. And if you want to protect the ham, it should be with the